Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, we are kind of pulling back a little bit, but that one little pullback candle doesn't tell me that this daily uptrend is over. A lower high or a significant break of structure would tell me that, and we definitely do not have either of those. Maybe it is going to make a multiple day pullback like some of these other pullbacks in the past, but the trend is definitely very, very heavily up still. So on the 1 hour time frame, we do have a break of structure down. So what do? We throw our Fibonacci retracement on where the last series of higher highs, higher lows started, and we watch our Fibonacci levels very, very, very closely. If you get an engulfing move to the upside at any one of these Fib levels, then definitely take it as a long. If you are a very short time frame trader, maybe you could try scalping to the short side to one of these Fib levels, but that seems very, very dangerous to me when the weekly and the daily is still in a very, very strong uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.